Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out at the farm again with the Fresno Freedom School kids, and they are going to be learning how to drive, if you can see in the back of me, the tractor today. So one has just gotten off of it, and we're going to get some footage a little bit later to show you how they are doing, and they are very excited, and I'm excited for them. So we wanted to get some stuff on film today and let you guys see what the kids have been up to and everything that's going on in the community with farming. It's that time of the season or time of the year to get some stuff into the ground, and we are looking forward to it. I'm trying to adjust the camera so you guys can see back behind me what's going on. A lot of land out here at the Yoville farm community, and we have a lot to look forward to today. So I hope you stick around and join us. Join us as the kids learn a new skill that they will be able to use for generations to come. All right, guys. And again, thanks for stopping by the channel. Farmer Harris. Is it Farmer Harris today, Dr. Harris today, or Reverend Harris today? Which one? Which hat you got on today, brother?
I don't know.
All right.
I do know I'm ready to go to Ghana. I do know that.
Yes, we all
Ghana,
are.
here I
I
come.
miss Ghana. I really do.
And it's just, hell, I'm having fun. We're just chilling. We're getting ready for our summer crop right now. And I kind of let this grew a little bit more, but what I was trying to do was, because the ground doesn't have a lot of nitrogen in it, I wanted to take some of the greens and till them in the ground to get it rich, you know. So
Like nourishment.
that's why we're doing it so late. This side over here, we're gonna be putting, you see we got compost piles everywhere. We're gonna be putting compost all out there to get the ground more rich.
Okay.
So I always say, you know, everybody's happy and I'm tired.
You should be. Yeah, you wear many hats. You wear many hats.
You're doing something right.
It's these young black kings right here in Queens that we're trying to, you know, teach them what our ancestors did and
Right.
how important it is to feed ourselves and not let the enemy feed us.
Yes, indeed.
You know, this is organic. All of it's organic. This is their school, the Freedom School. You know, we're known all across the United States. And so, you know, we're just trying to do what we can, you know, to, you know, the old saying is do for self or be a slave. And so we're not going to be no slaves. We're going to do for ourselves. So we're glad to have you out here. And so I'm just teaching the kids how to drive the tractor a little bit, you know, not too fast, but just they got to get a feel of it,
Exactly,
You
yes.
know you got an anxious one back there behind you.
Yeah,
He's ready.
I'm
He drives a car, but he really wants to drive that tractor.
we harvest a lot of food out of this year. We had a lot of farmer markets, and we gave a lot over the way to the community, you know, so
Yes.
we got to take care of community. You know?
Community first, that's right.
Right. And so, you know, we're looking for more land. We're hoping that the Creator, I'm in the process of going through that process now, because, you know, my vision before I leave this earth is to get 100 acres of Freedom School.
Okay.
We have our own transportation department, our own science department, our own shipping and receiving department, our own trucks, our own everything, so that we can push food across not just the country, but internationally.
Yes.
You know, trade and all that type of stuff. That's the vision I have right now. And it all starts right here. You know what I mean?
Yes.
And so you know, we're headed that direction. We teach our kids how to cook. They make their own recipes. They make watermelon jelly. They make black-eyed pea dip, sausage, tomato pie. I mean, they do it all. You know?
Okay.
So I'm just proud of them. We're getting more kids now coming out. You know,
You know, off to a good start. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Hi guys.
Hello.
You want to introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about your experience here at the Fresno Freedom School?
Yes, my name is Lakinian, or some people call me Benjamin or LB, because Lakinian Benjamin, and also my last name is Brown. So, in my experience, I haven't been in Freedom School that long. Like today is basically the first day, right? But I have been going to Saturday school.
So what'd you do today?
Today I drove the tractor for the first time. That was the first time ever that I've driven something with it on.
All right.
Like I might have been in the front seat of my mom's car, acting like I'm driving the car, but I've never actually driven a car before. So I was driving a tractor, driving anything. So unless I'm going go-karts, and that's different. Yeah. But I've been doing I like what I've been doing.
Do you think you could actually be a farmer?
Yes, I do. The thing about that is I've been working with it's called sweet potato program 2. I have been there also, like they do that. I have been working with that, and we harvest sweet potatoes.
Yeah.
So yeah, I do that sometimes on Saturdays too.
Awesome. Thank you. Benjamin.
Okay, so you go give us your name and tell us what you do.
My name is Tavion, and I'm a farmer, and I work with Mr. Harris and
What's the name of your school?
Freedom School. And
When does Freedom School convene? What day is Freedom School on?
Saturdays. And,
Saturdays from?
And from like in the morning to like in the afternoon, like.
Okay, and that's at 806 Collins.
806.
In Inyo.
Okay. Can you tell us what you like about it?
What I like is growing stuff from like company and for like just growing it in general.
Okay. And how long have you been attending?
Since for 2 years.
2 years. All right. How old are you?
15.
Wow. Okay. And have you been on the tractor so far today?
No, I think I will be on it today though.
You looking forward to it? Well, we're looking forward to seeing you get up here on it and do some stuff. Well, thank you for speaking with us. All right.
All right.
My name is Taylon. First time riding the tractor. It was good. Kind of like driving more heavier.
You look like you were having a good time out there. You did an awesome job.
Thank you.
Okay, Miss D is now fixing to ride a tractor. She's fixing to drive it. But Brother Doni took this picture of Miss D driving a tractor. So when it goes viral, I want to be the author of this taping.
Oh my God. What?
This is the gas, that's the clutch, that's the brake.
Wait, gas, clutch, oh, clutch, brake.
You have 2 brakes.
Wait a minute now.
Brake.
Gas, clutch, brake, and brake.
Right.
Okay, so how do I start it? Should I hold the clutch down?
Yep.
Ooh, that's powerful. Wait a
Yeah, he
minute.
said he have.
Break a toe. Go ahead, okay.
I'm getting back now.
Okay. Pole
this
here?
This foot right here.
Okay. And then this foot.
Right, no, back up. Put this foot over just a little bit.
Oh, okay.
That foot right there.
Hey, you see the
Right there.
technique? Getting all